Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a very easy and wonderfully fragrant leave-in homemade conditioner. Lately, I have been using this hair conditioner regularly, and few days back, one of my friends complimented that my hair looks shiny and is smelling very nice, and she asked for the recipe. I thought I'll share the recipe with all of you too. We can make hair conditioners at home in two ways. One is by mixing water with oils and making an emulsion by using emulsifying wax, and the second is by using aloe vera gel. I'll be sharing both the methods. This recipe is using aloe vera gel. This recipe is very versatile. You can use fresh or store-bought aloe vera gel for this recipe. I have a recipe for making aloe vera gel that is exactly like store-bought gel, and I'll leave the video link for it in the description box below. If you use store-bought gel, the shelf life will be very long. I personally use my homemade aloe vera gel with little bit of preservative for this recipe, as I take the conditioner with me while traveling, and this recipe lasts well at room temperature for about 2 weeks or more. The second main ingredient used in this recipe is distilled rose water. You can use homemade rose water too, but I always use store-bought distilled rose water as it has a shelf life of about almost a year. When buying rose water, make sure to buy one without any additional ingredients. If you're interested, I'll leave the link for buying all the ingredients used in this recipe in the description box below. The main reason I love this conditioner is it is very light on the hair and it does not have any nasty chemicals. When you apply this conditioner in your hair, it will dry immediately, leaving your hair shiny, smooth and fragrant. It will not make your hair greasy at all. The other two ingredients I have used in this recipe are vegetable glycerin and rose essential oil. Glycerin is a humectant, so it helps retain moisture very well. Rose essential oil not only makes this conditioner smell good, it makes the hair super shiny too. To make the conditioner, take a tablespoon of aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume in a bowl. Add a quarter teaspoon of vegetable glycerin too. Now add a tablespoon of steamed distilled rose water. Finally, add in 5 to 6 drops of rose essential oil. Now mix well with a whisk. At first, the mixture will be very lumpy, but as you keep mixing, it will form a smooth mixture. I added half tablespoon of rose water first and then added the rest later, but you can add it in one go too. Once mixed well, you can store it in a glass bottle and it will last well for weeks together at room temperature. To use, take little bit of the conditioner and apply it in dry hair. Let it dry in the hair, which usually takes a few minutes, and then you can comb your hair as usual. This conditioner can be used in both dry hair and in wet hair immediately after hair wash too. Once you dry your hair will be soft and shiny but without any greasiness. I have used only about quarter teaspoon of vegetable glycerin in this recipe, but if your hair is very dry, you can increase it to half teaspoon too. As you can see, this conditioner is made with very pure ingredients, so you can use this conditioner even for young kids too. If alone you store this conditioner in a very attractive container, people will not be able to differentiate it from expensive store-bought leave-in conditioners. Do give this recipe a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.